Our school, St. Joseph Academy, is run by Capuchin Fathers of Prem Jyoti region. It is one of the reputed schools in East Delhi. Our mission and aim is to impart knowledge through education and mold the character of future generation. It was one of the best platforms which our teachers could make use of for teaching learning process, and parents could benefit it. It was students friendly and they all appreciated it.
I'm very passionate about my subject, and I want to impart the same passion in my students also. So when I teach, I want them to understand the concept equally and impart that thing in their practical lives. So it's a wonderful experience for me when they respond me the same way which I am responding.
My teaching journey, you ask, it's been like 12 years now, and I've seen the phases. Like it was rote learning before, then it came to physical learning, and during this pandemic, as we all have seen, it has completely transformed to digital, and this is what the future is.
We have faced a situation when it was completely locked down and we didn't have any resources, especially for the children who didn't even have the notebooks. But Genio helped out. It was like a dream come true for them to have everything online. The book was there, the videos were there, and they could see everything what the teacher is teaching. My words went into the action. So Genio helped like that. The best thing about Genio is it can help me in my troubled time. Like it has a mentor support. I can ask my doubts. The students assessment also. Students can be assessed at the same time, and we have the user interface where the books and the videos come simultaneously. Teaching and seeing goes one by one.
Learning outcomes impacted, I would say students really enjoyed the app. What feedback I got from my students, I assessed themselves, and they performed wonderfully. And all thanks to Genio. My God, what you people are doing is really great. So keep up this good work. And lastly, I would really appreciate the work which Genio is doing, and all thanks to you people. Thank you, Genio.